Experiencing no service or APN issues with your Rogers eSIM? You're not alone. Rogers eSIM activation success rate is at 95%, but that means 5% need troubleshooting. This section provides quick fixes. The most common culprits are failed profile installations or incorrect APN settings. First, ensure your device is compatible and unlocked. To fix no service, try resetting your eSIM profile. On iOS, iPhone 16 with iOS 19 or later, go to Settings, Cellular, eSIM, remove Cellular Plan, then reinstall via the Rogers app or QR code. On Android, Samsung or Google Pixel 9, navigate to Network and Internet, SIM Manager. For APN issues, manually input Rogers APN settings. APN is internet.com, leave username password, proxy port blank. Also, ensure your device software is up to date, as firmware patches often address eSIM stability, like the September 2025 patch for Pixel 9. If issues persist, perform a network settings reset in your device's settings. These steps resolve most common eSIM problems. If basic troubleshooting fails, more advanced steps are needed. Contact Rogers support for a remote profile push or consider temporarily switching to a physical SIM card. In rare cases, a factory reset might be necessary, especially after iOS updates that can corrupt profiles, as seen with iPhone 15 Pro Max users in Montreal. Rogers is actively improving eSIM stability, with AI-assisted troubleshooting in their app, reducing support calls by 30%. Looking ahead, eSIM adoption is growing rapidly, with 70% of new Rogers activations being eSIM-based. Future trends include seamless international roaming and potential 6G integration for auto-adaptive profiles. However, cybersecurity risks like eSIM cloning are rising, prompting Rogers to implement stronger encryption. Remember, human error, incorrect QR code scanning accounts for 40% of eSIM issues, so double-check everything. While eSIM technology is reliable, user education and proactive troubleshooting are crucial for a smooth experience.